Lamont, Verizon. Let's talk about a specific program. Lots of activity going on out there, 5G, private 5G, wireless play all over the place, et cetera. Tell us about a specific program you'd like to highlight.
Yeah, thanks, Luke. We are definitely still working through a lot of the efforts with our 5G, making sure that we continue to push out how do we continue to support edge computing services and ensure that there's always that connectivity from a wireless standpoint. But one
I'll
of the
be
ones that
dropping the 7G bomb on you at the end of the show. Beware.
Exactly. We're just going to keep counting and increasing those numbers up on that, just in front of that G there. But I mean, one of the really big programs too that we're looking at to associate with our wireless technology is moving into that wireline space and really pushing into providing more and more bandwidth capabilities and pushing it out to different areas and further into the network and closer to these data centers. As you see across the US, there's a boom of data center development being built just to support the AI movement. And that's going to require 100 gig, 400 gig bandwidth that's going to be associated with that. So we have our AI Connect program, which is putting these long haul fiber, the wave fibers in place to be able to support that. And also then dark fiber too as well, to make sure that we're able to provide the right connectivity back to each one of the agencies, each one of the bases, each one of the facilities to be able to support the movement of this traffic and the buildup that's happening currently today. And then you're going to move up that stack too. Associated with that, we're moving into and getting into our government SD-WAN, our GovCloud SD-WAN services, and making sure that we're tying directly to each one of those applications connectivity to ensure that you're able to get the performance across the environment, to make sure that you're able to get the performance that you're looking for, the connectivity that you're looking for, but also then the security too as well. As you heard a lot of the folks say on here before, security is paramount, it's key. You're going to have these encryption modules that are associated with the VPNs that's inside of that GovCloud instance that we have to be able to move that traffic back and forth, control how it's getting to each user, control who's touching what data and what applications. And that's something that we're making sure that we're providing that large amount of capacity for connectivity, and then bringing up they get to the myopic view of how do we then connect each one of these end users, data, and applications in a secure and a expedient manner.